I'm just climbing up onto one of the cranes. And Andrew Bowen, you're the engineering director, aren't you? And you've been building this place, is that right?
Correct. I've been on this project since 2004, involved in the original planning, the design, and now the construction of London Gateway.
So you were here back when there were just water voles and a few newts on the, well, quite a few newts on the site.
Where we're standing now used to be the river.
Looking out, we could see the waters of the Thames estuary.
Where we're standing, we've dredged for about 100 kilometres of the channel.
100 kilometres?
Yes, 100 kilometres, and all that sand has been brought ashore to create this new port.
Why did you need to dredge this vast channel down? Because it goes all the way down the coast of Britain, doesn't it, into the Thames estuary?
Well, similar to the airline industry, ships are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and what we needed to do here at London Gateway was build a port which is able to handle the largest ships in the world, but also build a port which is close to the heart of consumption of the UK market.
What's interesting about these new ships is just the sheer scale of them.
18,000 containers, 400 metres long, about 57 metres wide, so it's 4 football fields long, 1 football field wide, and the depth of the vessel is 70 metres.
So you've had to clear this huge channel all the way down the coast and into the Thames so that these vast boats can come right here up close to London. So now, Andrew, you're going to take me up on this absolutely huge crane. How big is this crane?
The full height of the crane is 138 metres. It's taller than the London Eye.
Wow. Okay, well, let's go. So there's a lift here, saving us the trouble of walking up, opening a couple of doors. In we go. Squeeze in here. Is it only me, Andrew, or do I feel a faint sort of wobbling?
Well, the crane is currently operating, so as we operate, the crane does sway, and as part of the normal operations. There we go. Up we go.
Cranes the size of huge tower blocks, they're absolutely massive structures, aren't they?
We're going up about 20th story. You think of a building about 20 flights up. So these cranes here we are the largest in the UK and some of the largest in the world. Eventually we'll have 24 key cranes, but yeah, we have currently 8 on site.
So that allows you to service how many boats?
So these new large vessels, 400 metres long, and we can handle 6 of them easily. And even the cranes that we're on can handle future vessels, even bigger.
Oh God, that was quite an abrupt stop.
Just up the top now.
Whoa. And you step out onto a grid looking straight down. What is this, 60 metres?
About 60 metres up.
I don't have a problem with heights normally, but we are seriously, seriously high up now. And I can see some big ships out there, but presumably that big ship I can see way out on the horizon. The ships that you could bring in here would be a lot bigger than that.
For the Thames at the moment, it is quite a large vessel, but here at London Gateway, we're building a new port for the largest vessels in the world to serve London and the whole of England.